Now, justice is supposed to be the result of correct law. So that's a different thing altogether. You can have laws without having justice. And that's what you have throughout the planet right now. You have millions and millions and trillions, I guess, of laws, because you have laws are anything that anybody's doing. A person is fishing. That's a law of fishing. You know, if a person is boating, that's a law of boating, because the person is boating. And then there are minor laws or major laws associated with whatever the person is doing in boating. The person might be using a sailboat. It's a law of sailing with a sailboat because it has an effect. You're catching the wind in the sails. It's a law if you're using a rowboat and you don't have sails, but you're rowing the boat with what they call an oar. You put the oar in the water and you use the oar to paddle the boat. You might call it even a oar or a paddle. And so you get the boat to move. That law of motion has an effect when you put the paddle or the oar in the water. And you also steer in the direction that you will go with the oar or the paddle. And so you're not only causing the boat to move, that's a law. You're causing the boat to go in the direction that you wanted to go in. That's another law. A law is anything that has an effect. Now, but laws that have to govern the conduct of people when they interact with each other, they are supposed to be producing a product called justice. You use your interaction between people. In other words, you affect what people are doing. You cause people to think a certain way or to do certain things or not do certain things or not think of certain things. And those are laws of interaction between people. But all laws, if they're correct, are supposed to cause people to interact with each other correctly. And what do you mean by correctly? It means it produces a product called justice. And what is justice? Justice means you guarantee that the person that needs help the most gets the most constructive help, and you do that without mistreating anyone. The laws of justice. In other words, if you're going to have a law and the law results in a thing called justice, and all laws are supposed to, when they interact with people, produce two things. Supposed to guarantee, two guarantees. Guarantee that no person is mistreated. And two, guarantee that the person that needs help the most gets the most constructive help. But so far, no laws have produced justice. So you don't have justice anywhere on the planet. Mm-hmm. Because people are being mistreated all over the planet, even as we speak. And people are not getting the help that they should get in all of the areas of activity in the most constructive manner, nowhere on the planet. And mostly that's because of what? The laws that govern the people of the planet. And that's the law of white supremacy.